Create, customize, and bring your ideas to life with the best affordable 3D printers in 2000 CEs. These budget-friendly models offer easy setup, reliable printing performance, and impressive detail, making them great choices for beginners, hobbyists, and creators. Starting at number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer is a high-speed, fully enclosed Core XY FDM printer designed for makers, hobbyists, and professionals who demand fast, accurate, and reliable printing. With a 250 cosons 250 bosons 200 mm build volume and maximum printing speeds of up to 600 mm, it produces high-quality models quickly while maintaining excellent precision. The printer supports optional ACE Pro multicolor printing, enabling up to 4-color printing with one ACE Pro or 8-color printing by connecting 2 ACE Pro units. It features a 320°C all-metal hot end, Levi Q 3.0 auto-leveling, filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and an ultra-quiet 44 dB print mode for a smoother user experience. Compatible with PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and ASA filaments, the Kobra S1 also supports Anycubic app one-click remote printing and monitoring, making it an excellent choice for high-speed prototyping, detailed models, and multicolor creative projects. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3 V2. The official Creality Ender 3 V2 is a reliable and beginner-friendly FDM 3D printer that combines proven performance with several thoughtful upgrades for smoother and quieter printing. It features a 220 and 220 a 250 meter, 8.666 is 8.66 is 9.84 inch. Build volume, a self-developed silent motherboard for low-noise operation, and a mean, well-branded power supply that provides stable, safe, and efficient performance. The carborundum glass build platform ensures excellent first-layer adhesion and easy print removal while delivering a smooth surface finish. Additional features include a 4.3-inch color display with an intuitive user interface, resume printing after power outages to reduce material waste, a convenient rotary extruder knob for easier filament loading, and integrated belt tensioners for improved print accuracy. With its sturdy all-metal frame, user-friendly design, and compatibility with popular materials like PLA, TPU, and PETG, the Ender 3 V2 is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and makers looking for dependable, high-quality 3D printing. Number 3. XYZPrinting Da Vinci Mini 3D Printer. The XYZPrinting Da Vinci Mini Wireless 3D printer is a compact, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed to make high-quality printing simple and accessible for home users, students, and hobbyists. Featuring a 6x6 150 meters build volume, it comes fully assembled and supports wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to print conveniently from your computer without a constant USB connection. Its fully open-source design gives users greater flexibility with compatible materials, and it can be upgraded to print metallic PLA and carbon PLA using an optional hardened steel nozzle. The printer delivers up to 200-micron layer resolution, heats up in about 1 minute, and supports common materials such as PLA, tough PLA, and PETG. With its plug-and-play setup, user-friendly software, and reliable performance, the Da Vinci Mini Wireless is an excellent choice for beginners and makers looking for an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use 3D printer. Number 4. Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D Printer. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is a compact, fully assembled desktop 3D printer designed for beginners, students, and hobbyists who want an easy-to-use yet capable printing experience. It features a 110-120 mm circular build volume with a heated build plate, enabling reliable printing with materials such as PLA, PLA+, and ABS. Its advanced G-code-based automatic bed leveling eliminates manual calibration, while the auto resume function allows prints to continue after unexpected power interruptions. The printer supports Polo Print Pro Wi-Fi for convenient wireless printing and remote file transfers, along with microSD card connectivity. Built on an open-source platform compatible with Cura and other popular slicing software, It offers flexibility for customization and supports print speeds of up to 170 mm. With its quiet operation, full-color touchscreen, and user-friendly setup, the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable 3D printer for home, education, or creative projects. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra X. The Anycubic Kobra X multicolor 3D printer is a powerful, beginner-friendly FDM printer designed for families, hobbyists, makers, and professionals who want fast, intelligent, and vibrant multicolor 3D printing. It features native 4-color printing out of the box and can be expanded to print with up to 19 colors using additional ACE 2 Pro units, making it ideal for creating detailed, colorful models with less material waste. With a 260mm build volume and maximum print speeds of up to 600 mm, the Kobra X delivers high-speed, high-quality results while remaining exceptionally quiet at 45 dB in silent mode. Smart features such as AI-powered 720p camera monitoring, automatic anomaly and spaghetti detection, LeviQ 3.0 auto-leveling, filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and one-click remote printing through the Anycubic app make printing easier and more reliable. Supporting a wide range of materials, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ASA, PVA, PLACF, and PETG-CF, the Kobra X is an excellent choice for users seeking an easy-to-use, feature-rich, and high-performance multicolor 3D printer.